guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a hiking boot unboxing and a review for you guys with the VERSACE jeans couture hiking boots. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the VERSACE jeans couture hiking boots, and we got these in a UK size 8. It's a European 42, and there's no US sizing, but I will look at it when I get unboxing. So pretty new for us. We don't really do designer high-end fashion boots. To be fair, VERSACE jeans is a diffusion line from VERSACE. It's not like the proper VERSACE collection. That's the proper good stuff, but really expensive. It's, again, think of your Armani Exchange. That's the only brand I can think of at the top of my head. But for those that don't know, obviously VERSACE is a massive fashion house from Italy. And, lo and behold, Salehi Bembury, he got his attention when he was working at VERSACE, and he made, that chain sneaker. Well, that was really dope. Unfortunately, we don't have that. We got a hiking boot. And again, we like to mix it up here at Oneupreviewz. So we'll show you this. Let us know how you feel about them. Comment if you think we should do more designer brands here at Oneupreviewz. We won't know until you guys give us some feedback, so let us know. Let's go unboxing. So here they are. Personally, with the money we spent for these, I would have got a pair of Timberland boots. Hey ho, some people pay for the brand and the name. So we start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the heavy tread, like hiking boots design there, and you got the VERSACE jeans couture logo embossed there in the middle. I just want to tell you the sizing. So you got it in a European 42, it's a US 9, and it's UK size 8. The midsole unit, again, it's just the rubber going up. Got the same lugged design, very heavy. Obviously these were designed for hiking. And on the upper, so this upper, you've got a range of materials. You got an all rubber mud guard here. You can see it going all around. And then a textile synthetic upper right there. You can see it's like a mesh there to prevent any water seeping in. And then at the lateral side, you got the VERSACE jeans couture logo right there in white. Laces, so you got hiking laces round, and you do with the little white highlights. Then you got like your D-rings to lace up right here, giving you that hiker boot aesthetic. So the collar itself, you got leather in the collar, very nicely padded. Obviously you want to get your legs, your ankles very nicely supported. You got a pull tab with the VERSACE couture jeans written in a patent writing right there. And just looking at the midsole again, you've got the VERSACE jeans couture written at the heel right there for you. Inside, so again, you got the nicely padded tongue. Insole, foam insole with the VERSACE couture jeans logo. VERSACE jeans couture, sorry. And just looking at the tongue again, you've got property of VERSACE jeans, and it's all that little badge right there. All there for you. Obviously, guys, as I mentioned before, when it comes to hiking products, I'd rather get stuff designed from hiking brands themselves, your Timberlands, Salomons, North Face, Helly Hansen even. But we thought we'd give this a try. Looks wise, if it weren't for the big VERSACE jeans logo, I might cop. If it was like something from Timberlands, I might even buy it. But for me, spending £200+ on hiking boots when obviously you could have got a pair of Timberland boots, that's a better investment. That brand is known for hiking, known for those waterproof boots. So you could have got more bang for your buck if you bought the Timberland originals. But hey ho, we're here to try something new, and with all that said, I'm gonna try these on for you. So roll out footage of me trying these hiking boots on. When it comes to the fit, guys, maybe where, I mean, I don't have a reference point for Versace clothing or Versace shoes, but I think I should have got a size down to what we got. So I think I should have got UK size 7. It's a lot of space around the boot. Sorry, I'm so used to obviously reviewing sneakers. But do you know what it is? These boots remind me of Palladium, the French brand. The way that it's just, you know, it just looks, and obviously you got that hiking inspired feel, but because of the upper material, it reminds me of Palladium boots. Let us know if you want to see some Palladium reviews. But guys, if you're going to spend 200 plus on a pair of boots, make sure they're waterproof. Obviously, I mean, if you're here for the name, I'm not here to judge you. Wear whatever you want, but to be fair and to be honest, I would have happily bought a pair of Timberland 6-inch boots in all black. That's just me. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. Until next time, peace.